If you love simple Nigerian meals that are delicious, filling, and affordable, then you need to try this garden egg sauce. It is simple and budget friendly and very easy to make. You don't need expensive ingredients. I made mine with mackerel fish and panla. Then I used some scotch bonnet pepper. I used onion. Please be generous with your onion. And I used some crayfish. Then I will have our star ingredient, which is garden egg, for this recipe. Let's get into the cooking process. So first off, I'm going to wash my garden egg properly. So after washing, I'll go ahead to cut them into two so that it will be easy for me because I'm going to be boiling them. This garden egg sauce can be paired with anything. It can be paired with yam, it can be paired with potatoes, it can be paired with plantain. It depends. Anything of your choice is fine. So but for this particular one, I'm going to be pairing mine with yam. So I'm going to cut my yam alongside because I'm going to be adding my garden egg to my yam when boiling. I'll be boiling them together, so when the garden egg is soft, I'm going to remove it. I'll take it out. I'm done with cutting my yam and I've washed it thoroughly. So I'm going to go in with the yam into the pot. I'm going to add the garden egg. I went in with salt and water and I'll allow this to cook. So while this is on fire, we're waiting for our garden egg to get soft. I'm going to go ahead to start prepping my pepper and onion. So I'll start by prepping my pepper. I'll just add it into the food processor and I'll chop this nicely, and the pepper is ready. So I'll go ahead to prep my onions also. So I'll add it into the food processor also and chop the onions, and I'm done prepping my pepper and onions. So next I'll go ahead to debone our fish. So you don't want to have bones in your meal when you're eating, so I'm going to carefully debone this fish. I'm going to take out all the bones nicely, and I've carefully removed all the bones and the fish is ready. So our yam and garden egg have been boiling for some time now, so I'm going to go ahead to check on the yam and the garden egg. I'm going to check if the garden egg is cooked so that I can blend it. I'll be roughly blending it. The garden egg is cooked, so I'm going to take it out from the pot. So I want to blend the garden egg now, but you don't want to blend it to be smooth. You need that rough consistency, like it has to be rough. So I'm not going to be using my blender to blend. I'll just use my food processor to blend it so that it has that rough consistency. The garden egg is ready, so I'll go straight ahead to start making the sauce. So I'm going to go in with vegetable oil and I'll go in with red oil. So I'll allow this to heat up before going in with my onion, and I'll allow this to release all its flavor because we are trying to build flavor here. After the onion has released all its flavor into the oil, I will go in with crayfish and allow this to fry a bit because we are building flavor, right? Then I'll go in with my scotch bonnet pepper I'll allow this fry a bit before I'm going to add my fish, the deboned fish, and I'll allow this to simmer and fry a bit with the oil. At this point, I'm going to go in with the garden egg. I'm going to stir this to combine. Then I'll go in with a bit of salt and seasoning because I'll be allowing this to fry down. Then I'll finish up with some crayfish. This sauce is so yummy. If you have not tried this garden egg sauce before, please do. This sauce is really yummy. It is sweet, and the funny thing is you don't need much to make it. This is, let me say, a low budget meal, but it really always comes out and it bangs. The sauce is almost ready, and please be generous with your crayfish when making this sauce because it's really a game changer. So the sauce is almost ready. I'll just allow it to boil for about 2 minutes and take it out. This sauce is so delicious. It is simple, easy to make, and very tasty. So our sauce is ready, so I'll just go ahead to plate it. Please, if you have watched up to this point, please give this video a thumbs up, and if you've not subscribed to this channel, please kindly subscribe to this channel. Subscription is totally free. I will see you on the next one.